Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you 3 different shading techniques using an HB pencil and a blending stick. You also need a good light, or preferably daylight. The first thing you want to make sure is that you've got nice smooth paper to draw on and also a nice sharp point to the pencil. I'm also going to use a putty eraser. So I've drawn 3 simple flowers. The first shading technique that I'm going to use is to draw lines. The closer the lines are together, the more solid the appearance. Using this technique, you can build it up in layers to make it darker. You can also apply more pressure to get a stronger contrast between the light and the dark tones. Something worth mentioning, if you're doing a drawing, it's worth having a piece of paper under your hand, a small piece of paper, and that stops you from smudging the picture that you're working on. In the middle flower, the second one, I'm going to use circles as my shading technique. It sometimes helps if you have a blunt end to the pencil because you get a smoother finish. Unless you're working into a very tight corner, and then having a pointed pencil is preferable. You can go over the same area more than once, or you can apply more pressure. Either or both of those will work if you want it to be darker. And you get good coverage on the paper. You can combine techniques, so you could do some lines and some circles. In the last flower, I'm simply going to scribble some pencil on the paper and then use the blending stick. So, some examples of what you can use to blend with, other than a blending stick. You could use a sponge, Q-tips, cotton buds, a brush, cotton wool, So I'm using the putty eraser and I'm just going to dab lightly on some petals, and this will create some highlights. Thank you for watching this simple tutorial, and I hope you'll join me next time.